Day 1. Silence of the satellites. The sun rises. You reach for your phone. Black screen. You try again. Nothing. Across the globe, billions experience the same unsettling silence. A vital satellite network, the backbone of our digital lives, is down. Confusion reigns. People gather on streets, staring at useless devices. News trickles in slowly. A catastrophic solar flare, they say. No one knows how long the outage will last. Fear sets in. What now? This is not a drill. This is survival. Without cell phones, our connection to the outside world is severed. No more instant news, no GPS, no banking apps. For the first time in decades, we are truly isolated. But remember, humans are resilient. We've weathered storms before, and we will weather this one too. The system, crash work, and emergencies grind to a halt. Day 1 throws society into chaos. Global commerce stumbles as online transactions fail. Financial markets teeter on the brink. Workplaces dependent on digital communication grind to a halt. Emergency services struggle. Dispatch systems reliant on cellular networks are down. First responders revert to radio and landlines, overwhelmed and under-equipped for the surge in demand. This is a stark reminder of our vulnerability. We've become overly reliant on a fragile system. Adapting to the analog days 2 and 3. By day 2, the initial shock begins to fade. Communities start to adapt. People dust off old radios for news and weather updates. Landlines, once relics of the past, become lifelines. Neighbors connect face-to-face, sharing information and resources. Community centers transform into hubs for support and coordination. We remember the power of human connection, the strength in unity. Rediscovering offline life days 4-5. As the week progresses, a strange sense of calm descends. Without the constant barrage of notifications and demands, people rediscover the pleasures of offline life. Families gather for board games and storytelling. Parks bustle with children playing, their laughter echoing through the streets. We begin to appreciate the simple things, a face-to-face conversation, a handwritten letter, the tranquility of a quiet evening. The digital detox, though forced, is a much-needed respite. Finding the silver lining, day 6. On day 6, a sense of hope emerges. We've proven we can adapt, that we can survive, even thrive without our digital crutches. The experience has been a wake-up call, a stark reminder of what truly matters. We've rediscovered the importance of community, the value of face-to-face interaction, the beauty of the present moment. We've learned to appreciate the silence, to find solace in simplicity. This is resilience in action. Back online and lessons learned, day 7. The hum of electricity signals the return. The satellite network flickers back to life, phones buzz with missed calls and messages. The world breathes a collective sigh of relief. But something has shifted. We return to the digital world with a newfound perspective. We are grateful for the convenience technology provides, but we are also wary of its grip. We vow to keep the lessons learned close, the importance of preparedness, the power of community, the beauty of a digitally disconnected life. We are survivors, and we are stronger for it. Go to preparemagazine.com and join the community. Be alive and prepared.